Anyway, disregard that. Highlighter, why did I say that so weird? That would leave my Tarte Squin, why can't I say that word? Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be making a Shop My Stash makeup bag for the month of March. I've never done a video like this. I have been inspired by a lot of the smaller creators that I follow here on YouTube. A Shop My Stash bag is a very simple way that you can utilize more products in your collection. I am notorious for going out and buying more product because I feel like I need more all the time, but I don't. I do not need more. I need to rein in the spending, and I would like to start by using more of my collection. So at the beginning of every single month, I want to start shopping my own stash, making a makeup bag for the month of products that maybe get overlooked in my collection, products I forget that I have, or even worse, products that are brand new in my collection that have been sitting around that I have never used because I bought them and I have no need for them. So I'm going to go category by category, pick out a product for the month of March, and I will put it in a makeup bag and just use it throughout the month. At the end of the month, depending on the products, I may go through and round up the products, see if any of them were hits, any of them were misses. Maybe just throughout the month I realized I bought a product that I don't actually really like or need. And I guess we'll see at the end of the month what I think of the products. So we're going to first start off with our base products, and that is going to be our primers. I have picked out 3 products for primers. The first product is going to be my eyeshadow primer, and it is from Believe Beauty. I've been hearing really great things about this primer. I got it from Dollar General. It was less than $5. I got the shade Translucent, and I used it on my eyes today actually to just kind of test it out, see what I thought of it. Again, this is one of those products that I purchased that I hadn't even touched yet. So I'm going to add it to my bag and hopefully get some use out of it in the month of March. The next 2 items are my face primers. I've got the ColourPop Watermelon Face Milk. My daughter actually picked this out. I think she picked it out because it's pink, but whatever. They're very moisturizing on the skin. I really enjoy them under foundation, so I'm going to add that to my bag this month. And to help with fine lines and reducing pores, I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin for that. Again, another product I purchased, haven't used. I've heard things about it online. I've had it for a while, but I never used it. So we're gonna give that a try this month as well. Okay, the next category is going to be all of my foundations. I picked through my foundations, and for the month of March, I'm really going natural. I want it to be light. I want it to be easy. I don't want anything full coverage or that's just too much on the skin. And so for the month of March, I picked out the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I am in the shade, let's see. What shade am I in? Oh, I am in the shade Fair. It's got hyaluronic acid and squalene in it, and I have high hopes for this. I did use it for a week or so last month before I really honed down on my favorites. I did enjoy it. I would like to try it again with a different base underneath it. So in the month of March, I'm going to be trying out the Tinted Hydrator. For my highlighter, I only have a few to choose from. In my monthly favorites, I use my Juvia's Place one, and then I also have a liquid highlighter, which I'm not really interested in. That would leave my Tarte Skin Twinkle palette. I'm trying to pan this very hard. I guess that I'm going to be using this all month in March. I didn't want to reuse a product that I had already used last month, so I guess we're just going to be rotating them out, and it's going to be my Tarte highlighter. For blush, I have quite a few options, and I used a ColourPop blush last month, but for the month of March, I really wanted to dive into my Complex Culture palette. I got this in an Ipsy bag. I'm going to be focusing on the blush shade here. I don't contour or bronze, so this is in the shade Pink Slip. It's a really bright, pretty pink color, so I'll be using that in the month of March. For eyes, it was a little bit hard to pick. I have quite a few eyeshadow palettes. A lot of them I don't really dip into. I've been trying to dip into them more with my palette bingos, and I'm going to be doing some duping videos later in the month. But I did choose between all of my individual shade, my shadow toppers, and my eyeshadow sticks. And I also made a selection from my eyeshadow palette collection. So for the individual shades, I chose a Believe Beauty Glimmer pot, and this is in the shade Vintage. It is a very pretty, very pigmented actually eyeshadow, just something that you can easily pop onto the lid. It's a pretty shiny brown color, and I really like that actually a lot. For the eyeshadow palette, I chose my NYX Ultimate palette. It's a very small pan of eyeshadow, and I really like it. I love these colors for the spring. I haven't used it as much as I would like to, so for this month, I'm going to be dipping into this a lot more. For mascaras, I only have a few to choose from, and if you've been with me for a while, you know I tend to only choose my Thrive Causmetics mascara. I recently did a duping video. I wasn't like the hugest fan of that dupe, but it is affordable. I did not choose that mascara this month. Instead, I chose the Essence Lash Princess. Everyone loves this mascara. I've never tried it. Again, another product that I bought but never used. The wand looks like this. It's a bristle brush, very thin. I think I would like it a lot. This mascara is the False Lash Effect mascara, so I'm going to try this out in March, and I'm really excited. I only have the one eyebrow gel, so I will of course be using my tried and true favorite Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. That should be no surprise if you've been with me for a while. I use it all the time. In every video I use it. I know how to use it. I feel comfortable using it, so I will continue to use it. The last makeup product to talk about are my lip products. I want to keep everything simple, easy. I'm still wearing my mask every day. I don't feel the need to pick out like a whole lipstick. So for the month of March, I will be using my NYX Butter Gloss. I have the shade Angel Food Cake. It's a muted pink color, kind of like a mauve, and I've been really enjoying it. And then also, just to get it out of my collection, I want to try to use this up. I've had it forever. It is the Smith's Rosebud Salve. I've had this for years. It's probably expired. It says 30 months. Well, I'm going to use it anyway. I'm going to try my best to use this up this month. I'm tired of having it in my collection. So yeah, okay. I really actually enjoyed making this video. I liked laying out all of the products that I had. So yeah, we will go through these products in March, and I will let you know what I enjoy and what I don't enjoy for the month of March. So that is going to be all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me. But other than that, I really hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!